travel pros, do you manage a Facebook group? Maybe you have a group set up for people who love to cruise, or maybe another group of your clients who are getting married soon. Now, groups are a great way to build relationships with certain niche markets in your client base. Now, in the past, we didn't really know much about our group's community, the audience we were attracting, the content they like, when they're most active in the group, and the top contributors. All these details were a bit of a mystery. Drum roll, please. Now there's Facebook Group Insights. That's right, now you have access to the inner analytics and metrics of your own group. How cool is that? This new info uncovers the most popular days and times for member engagement. How powerful! You now know when it's best to post information for your unique group members. There's a ton of other info there as well. Group member demographics, top contributors, all kinds of cool stuff to use to ensure that your group is as relevant and engaging as possible. Go ahead, dive into your group insights today and see all the other cool features.